Hey y'all, welcome to Jen's Kitchen, where we're bringing families together one recipe at a time. In today's video, I'm going to be making cookies and cream pie. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks! I'm going to start with some Oreos and begin mashing them up. Now I'm going to melt some butter and add that in. Once that is mixed in good, I'm going to form a crust with it. I am going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. While that is cooling, I'm going to mash up some more Oreos. In a bowl, I'm going to empty some vanilla ice cream. I am going to add the crushed Oreos as well as some whipped cream and mix it all together. Once it is mixed, I'm going to begin filling the crust. Now to the freezer you go. After at least 30 minutes in the freezer, it is time to dress it up. If you like my video, make sure to click one of these links for more, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!